if you're one of those people looking for a video tutorial where you can recover your device without losing any information, without deleting anything, or losing photos, files, or anything like that. Well, in this video tutorial we'll be explaining all these steps. Since we've changed this screen lock. If that's your case, you changed the screen lock, or maybe you forgot about it. In this video tutorial we'll explain how we can recover it. We'll be able to recover it easily and quickly. Let's click here on the software that appears here. It's already there. Now, let's click here. Let's deactivate this. We'll go to the gear icon, and now we're going to do this. Let's do this quickly. We go up. Okay, this isn't working. But this process we're going to do now will work. We're going to press the power button and the volume up button at the same time. We turn it off like this. If you can see, here we have these three menus. What we're going to do here is press and hold the power button. It will restart in this mode. Here we're going to restart in this hidden mode. We're going to restart our phone. Now, we're going to wait for our phone to restart. We're going to wait for our phone to restart. No, this has to be quick. What we're going to do is the following. Pay close attention to this video tutorial so we can recover our device in the easiest and fastest way by doing it ourselves. We're going to wait for it to take us here. It's restarting. We're going to wait. Here's our phone restarting. If you can see that it's restarted, we're going to do the following. We're going to turn off the screen and turn it back on. This has to be done quickly so we can enter and recover our device. As you can see, we've enabled this mode. Now, what we're going to do is pull down the notifications. We pull down, we're going to select this little gear that appears here. We select the gear and it will take us to this section. We're going to go to Applications. We select Applications here. We're going to tap where all the applications are. Now we're going to scroll down. Here we'll find our screen lock, where we're going to select it, and we're going to uninstall it. We uninstall it, then we're going to scroll down and restart our phone. We restart it and wait a few seconds until it restarts completely. Once our phone restarts, it will be fully recovered and ready to add a new screen lock, such as a fingerprint or any other lock we want. Okay, here. It has restarted, and now we can configure it normally. Let's wait here for